Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a short video. This is mostly for my students because they have two more projects left that they have to do. So we've been through all of the 3D objects so far. We've gone from 3D1 all the way to 3D12, which is the garage and the garage render. At this point they have to create two of their own objects, and you can do this at home as well. It's totally up to you. But one of those projects is called the object project and the other one is called the space project. Okay. Within the object project, you have to create a very advanced, very complex object, and then you have to create a very basic environment to go around it. In the space project, it's the exact opposite. You're going to have many different objects, but the environment together and all these pieces together is going to be very complex. Okay, so I do have some examples here, and I'm going to go through those. That is not one of them. All right. So as you can see on the screen here, let me just make sure you can see that. Hold on one second. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, starting on this one, this would be an object project, okay, because it's a very advanced, very complex guitar. It's got a lot of different pieces to it. One of the big things is it has to have a lot of different 3D models. So you can see, like looking at the bottom here, that we have all of these different pieces that come together in order to create one big object. And then the environment is just like a plain room. I would look for more than this with the environment, but you know, the guitar itself is very complex, okay. So moving on here. This was somebody who created a plane, and then the environment was like top-notch. So he created the plane, he made a copy of it, he changed the colors. At least I think that's a copy of it. It looks very similar. And then he went above and beyond, and he created something like this, you know, a forklift to create or to open up or to lift these boxes. And then he's got the runway and the grass and all that. So this was a very good project, and this would be something that I'm really looking for, you know, example-wise. Okay. There's a skate park where they put an image in the background, and you can see all the pieces that go into that. That would be a space project because there's not one object that has, you know, too much detail to it, but there are a bunch of different pieces together that create this environment, this space. This would be a space project the same way. It's actually our classroom, and person did a pretty good job with it. A lot of different pieces to it. A Dell computer would be an object project because, you know, even the keyboard itself, there's so many different keys and pieces to it that it takes a long time to create something like that. So that would be an object. This would be an object project with a very basic environment. I'm looking for a little bit more on the environment, but the object is pretty good. This is an object project, and this is something that's another great example. A lot of different pieces to it. Not exactly like the best student in the class or anything like that. Anybody can create this stuff with the skills that you guys have now. But, you know, a very good project. You know, simple camera with some images and stuff. I would do a little bit more than this. It's not really, you know, the camera's not as advanced as I would hope it would be, but it's still not bad. Another skate park in the city. He's got a bunch of buildings around the outside, you know, a bunch of different ramps and I don't know. I'm not really familiar with all these ramps and stuff, but I think rails and things like that. All right, quarter pipe, half pipe, I don't know. This person wanted to recreate the cart from like Mario Kart, and you know, the environment was basically just a couple boxes. I guess you could pick up the coins and things like that, so that was pretty cool. Somebody created the entrance to Nitro, which is by us at Jackson Great Adventure is a roller coaster ride. All right, so this is like the beginning of it. That would be a space project. This is another space project. Just, you know, a bridge, handrails, grass, water, the whole 9 yards. Piano, a lot of different keys, a lot of different pieces to it. Came out pretty good. That's an object project. So this one is nice. This is the whole skating rink for, you know, for playing hockey. And I think the one after this is like a camera shot of the ice and showing all the different lines. This took a long time to do, and this is a great project. I think that's the Krusty Krab from SpongeBob, right? So that, you know, it's not great. It's pretty good, you know, but I would look for a little bit more than that. This is a great project. You know, mostly it's kind of a mix between the two. It could be a space project, it could be an object project, but very good detail, a lot of pieces to it, and that's something that I would definitely appreciate. Somebody made a house. That would be an object project. Football field, space project. Kitchen would be a space project. Boombox would be an object project. This would be a space project, a couple different buildings. Legos, this would be probably an object project. Another kitchen, this would be a space project, but it's a very good space project. Another house with a pool, you know, so this is kind of a mix between the two as well. Off-roading with a Jeep, trees, mountains, different things like that. That came out pretty good. Race cars, that would be an object project and then copied a couple times with different colors on it. You know, decent environment. Another house. Foosball table's pretty cool. That's an object project. Piano, you know, second piano, pretty cool. This was like a server rack or something for, you know, IT stuff. I didn't fully understand it, but it does look pretty cool. This is a, what do they call those? A Star Destroyer from Star Wars. This is from that game Rocket League, I think. That's what the person told me. That was a duplicate. Skateboard. Another house. Soccer net and ball. And the field obviously is a great environment. Some kind of samurai sword on top of like so at first they just made the sword, and I'm like, well, it's not really enough, so you got to do something with the environment too. So this is again like kind of a mix between the two. That's a space project that's somewhere in our school, in our building here. Tank, another tank, pretty cool. This one was pretty cool. This is an object project, Star Wars TIE Fighter, I think they're called. Same soccer field, different angle, you know, different camera view. Got the flags, got the lines. Space shuttle. That one is pretty cool. It's got a great environment, and it is an object project. This is an office, and most likely an object project was the keyboard and the computer, but also a pretty cool space project too, because you can see they did the blinds and they just kind of went pretty far with that. I think that one's a great example. Toyota Supra, that's the object project. WWF or WWE, whatever it is, belt. Oh, that's the cart from Mario Kart. Another soccer field. And that's pretty much it. That's all student work. That's all things that my students have made in the past couple of years. And, you know, that's what we're looking for. So you got to pick which one you want to do first, either the object one or the space project. And you just, you know, get an idea and you make sure you clear it with me first. That's very important. Because I have to say yes to it, and it has to have, you know, a certain number of 3D models to it, which I'll show you how to count how many 3D models are in your project once you guys start creating these, okay? But for now, that's pretty much it. That's the end of this video, and I just want you guys to, you know, spark your imagination. Don't create something that you've seen on here, but make your own, and that's it. I'm no longer telling you what to make. I'm giving you options about what you want to make, okay? So thank you guys for watching. This is the intro to the space and object projects. All right, we'll see you in the next one.